Well, hi there, my lovely Elle Daily family. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm just showing you a table setting because I've got some guests coming around. You know, I love to entertain and wanted to show you some of the great pieces that I always have on hand that makes entertaining simple, even last minute, really quick, easy pieces that every person needs to have in their home. Anyway, who am I? My name is Jacqui Stafford. I'm a private stylist and part of the Elle Daily family. This is Oscar. Hey, Oscar. I work with everybody from private clients to royalty to celebrities and help them create beautiful pieces for their home, beautiful pieces for their wardrobe. So Longaberger is one of my favorite sources to go to for exquisite pieces. You were just looking at the charcuterie table, and here is our unbelievable plates. Just gorgeous pieces. But here's one of my hacks that you will love. Charcuterie hack done. Grab a plate of salami. Then all you do, look, is use that Longaberger charcuterie board. My size is the medium one, to create these little rosettes. These are my salami rosettes. How are you going to do it? Super simple. Get a glass, pick up one of the salami pieces, and then literally just fold it around the glass, overlapping each one. You want to keep going until you can't see the bottom of the glass. That way that you know you're getting the absolute perfect tight little rosette that will stay in place forever. Doesn't matter what salami you use, anything. These are the fanciest way to do a really quick little charcuterie plate. So keep going round, just press the salami all the way round, and then you're done. And then when you're finished, you can see, keep going. And then when you're finished with it, you simply can just turn the glass over. Really simple. I'm going to do it right now. Actually, let me move away my grapes before I do that, so I make sure that I place room for it. You want to turn the little salami glass over. Super simple. And here we go. Let me be careful. Voila! My rosette. Now all I need to do is add the cheese, the fruit, and we are good to go.